Foreign language tambana lamdamaduki loan khanghanba khak nattana lamaduki senmitlon chatnabi wakhalon amadi chaokhat khongthang dasu khangba ngambana lamdam amagi chaokhat lambida yamna kanaba oi amadi foreign language tambana aikhuigi skill development gi matang dasu yamna mateng pangli haina research and development cell professor ch ibohol maiteina phongdokre wafam asing ase chingmerong da leiba classic grande gi imperial hall da technet foundation globis Web Solution Private Limited, Thangzam Agro Business Limited, Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Medellin Healthcare Private Limited, Amadi Manipur Times Kapuna Kutsamnadana, Pangthokiba opportunities of learning foreign language, employability, higher education and business haiba hiramda pangthokiba nongmugaiba conclave phongdokibani ngasigi thoramada babina groups of companies ki chairman Dr. THW School of Humanities MU gi dean Professor Soibam Imoba Singh amadi Nelit Infa gi director and Devachandra Singh susarukya ke magna makha taraduna hai hauziki matamda oirakliba chaokhat lamjel asi mangzil thariba lam singi lon tamba Fangbaki Kudong Jaba Pangba Sina, Lamdamasigi Naha Sing the Atuki Matik Kangan Batanatana, Senmitlon the Su Chow Namating, Kanaba Piri Haike, Nasigi Toramada, Japan, Korea, Amade Tongan Tonganba, Laybak Singi Resource Person Sing Susarukya K.
Various other areas where demands are available, at least we must try to develop some sort of acquaintances to speak the foreign language. That way, it will add values to your academic profile at the same time your employability. And in fact, the topic initiated by TechNet Foundation on this conclave, the opportunities of learning foreign languages, with special emphasis to employability, higher education, and business development. It is of very much contributed relevant. I believe the young minds definitely will be getting insightful ideas, and probably from that you can just ignite your minds, your thinkings, and you try to grasp one opportunity to catch hold of one foreign language, and in the next few years down the line